Yeah, Michael Heiser seemed to imply, and I think he actually did imply, that he was the first one to discover the true meaning of Elohim. And he even went back to
Yeah.
Genesis 1 with this. And that's where he fell off the pedestal for me.
I didn't just wake up someday and say, "Oh, I got a neat alternative. I need this for the book. Thank you, Lord." And, okay, that is not it. The dirty little secret is there is nothing in the book. There is nothing in the unseen realm that is unique to me. I didn't have an original idea in my head. Okay, what my role is synthesizing all of this stuff.
We've got to look through the telescope backward and interpret all of biblical reality in light of this incredible novella discovery that he has come up with that no one else has ever seen.
So I've collected things. I have almost 6,000 resources, peer-reviewed resources on all the content of Unseen Realm. Okay, I'm not making anything up. Okay, the dirty little secret of Unseen Realm and the work I do is that Mike never had an original thought. Okay, everything is peer-reviewed. What I do is I connect dots.
But there is, I think, this kind of novelty in what he's doing. And I think the way he expresses it is he has discovered things that nobody else has ever discovered before.
Right. Unseen Realm, sort of the dirty little secret of the book is that there's nothing in the book that's not peer-reviewed. There's nothing in the book that's unique to me.
That it is new, you haven't heard it before, it sounds like it probably is right. You now have this new secret knowledge that nobody else has discovered before.
Right. Again, the dirty little secret of the book is I'm not saying anything in there that you're not going to find in peer review. And I've assembled, again, it's been 15 years. Okay. So I have a bibliography of stuff that's in the book that's now 4,800 entries.
It's a sad tale. He had this part of him that just wanted to be the inventor of something new, the discoverer. It smacks to me of a false prophet.
What makes the Demons book different? I'm very fond of saying the dirty little secret of Unseen Realm. My earlier book is that Mike never had an original thought. I'm a dot connector. I'm a sifter. I do synthesis, and everything in there is peer reviewed and whatnot.